Hey guys, in this video, we'll be showing you the last island, and we'll show you how to get till 3rd sea in Blox fruits. Let me PvP this guy for fun. This guy is a Z runner LOL. Let's go, I finished him. Time to go back to grinding. Let's do this in a flash. Let's skip this to level 1499. We hit level 1500. Sorry guys, I forgot to show the puzzle. You just have to go kill Dom Swan, then go in the Colosseum and inside the prison. Talk with Red King NPC. He will take you to Indra's Island and you have to defeat Indra boss. And then this will show. Watch the full video. Here is the mail from Indra. Let's go to the green zone. Okay, we are in 3rd sea, yay smiley face. Bye guys, that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Smiley face, smiley face.